And someone's being adorable. Let's see if I can get. Let's see if I can get you up again. Oh, I got you too. Nope, not today. Oh, okay. Are you in one of those moods, or do you want to see this thing? Nope, guess not. Aw.
That's my favorite.
See, you're cute.
Well, she's like playing it up big time.
Mm-hmm. You are loving this. You are posing for the camera.
Nice.
It's adorable.
7 points.
7 points, see? And you're a good luck charm.
Dad texted me.
You are an awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, aw.
I guess he's watching. It's not at the ball. Yeah. I didn't think it always was.
I think you might be done. Oh, wait, no, you're not. You coming back? Yep, you came back. Aw, I missed. You're still adorable, though. Yeah. Oh, there's 2 cats. Oh, there's another cat. And where's the third one? There's a third cat. Oh, camera's lagging. Okay. Video has to go bye-bye. Aw. And this is why I love cats. Oh, perfect.